Did y'all miss me? I miss you all too. I've been very just busy. Aw, na-miss mo na. Don't worry, I'm actually working on my studio right now. And babalik tayo kasi go, charing. Dami kasi nagsisend sa akin ng ganyan. So, you have no idea like how my heart is getting so warm and I'm getting like a passion to go back because spreading smile in your faces. See, ayan ka na naman, JF. Si Yusun, puro kasi Yusun. Hindi ka naman nagpakita. Nag-soon na. Tapos na yung soon. After na. Can't forget. Totoo ba? Actually, ang pinaka-favorite na pick-up line ko na yung kinikilig lang kasi ako. Tsareng. Yung malandi lang talaga ako. Tsareng. So, gumawa ako nitong TikTok 151.5 which is very easy to like edit. And, nagustuhan nyo rin naman pala. Tsareng. Tapos, sisingitan ko siya ng makeup vlog. So, ganun yung parang formula ko before. Anong paurong? Puking ina mo, anong paurong yung page ko? Baka binaliktad mong ganito. Tsareng. Lately, I was not okay. Tsareng. I was okay, not okay, not okay. So, hindi ko talaga, harap ko na siya. Parang, ito na siya ulit. Parang hinaharap ko na siya, parang this time kailangan ko siya harapin kasi parang, ko na lang kasi nahihirapan ako. Tsareng. Nahihirapan ako hard. Like, super hard ako nahihirapan. And then, ayun, yung hinarap ko siya, ayan, nabaliw ako. Tsareng. Vlogging area ko. I'm always just like, on the go. At that time, nung nangyari yun, parang, I think I'm still not ready. So, I tried to finish the vlog. And I think my body was just like, trying to, alam mo, parang dinidecode niya na, gago, ginawa mo to dati, ito yung ginagawa mo dati. Parang ganon. Parang, just half of my body was like, what the fuck is going on? You know? Maninira ulit kami. Tsareng. Siraan ulit namin yung mga tao. Tsareng. Then, when back in pandemic. Kasi back in pandemic, diba everyone was like so confused, scared. We were all getting depressed and anxiety. And at that time, si Papa Jesus lang talaga kinakapitan namin, mami. Rosary kami, ganyan. Every 3 a.m. Ba nagba-vlog ako, tas rosary, and then I'll go back to my vlogging again. Ganun yung ginagawa ko until tapos hindi mo pahihiram yung asawa mo. Ang kapal ng mukha mo. Are you planning to compete versus the world? I'm gonna lie, I really don't want any ay, nagda-drag race sila. Gusto ko rin yan. Uso siya. Sige nga, pasok ako dyan. Wow, Max Anderson 12. Pakyo ka. Ginagawa pa yung alaga ko Charing. Pero yan. I would like remember it